Hey everybody, Bo here with an update on our 6x14 cargo trailer conversion Rolling Thunder cabin on wheels. So today I'm making a kickstand for this solar panel, and I'm going to do it out of PVC using about 6 elbows and 3 T's. Now I gotta tell you, I got this idea from RVs by Tito. He does a flex panel as a window shade. If you haven't seen RV by Tito's channel, you definitely want to check it out because he's got a lot of great tips. And so this is kind of a variation on that. I want to make a kickstand that I can that'll be sturdy, that I can put a weight on it, so if the wind does kick up, it'll be secure. I can always peg it down from this too, but as long as it's in the right position. And this is the way I can move it in the sun and get the big bang for the buck for the shortest amount of time if I'm parked in the shade, because heat is the one thing you want to avoid if you don't have an air conditioner. We're always up in the high country where it's in the 80s and the nights are dropping down into the 50s, so it's nice and cool. And but you can bake in these things, so I can understand why in a lot of parts of the country you do have to have air conditioning. Having the back open, air just flows through this. It stays really nice and it's comfortable. I'm going to put a screen, and I have a few ideas that I want to do on the back, on the inside. That way we can keep some bugs out. And the big thing about the bugs is not out west, it's not necessarily the mosquitoes. It's the bees, the wasps, all that stuff. You get one of those in your indoor space, you're running for cover, especially if you're allergic to bee stings, which a lot of people are. And if the more you get stung, the more you start to develop that kind of stuff. So we try and avoid that at all costs of anything getting in there. So we're going to do this. I want to share this with you also. I got these off of, I got these from Wally World. 79 cents for 3 of them. They were white. I spray painted them black. Hopefully the paint will stay on them. And thought I'd spread the love. Anyway, I'm gonna mount these here so that I can put some spices and stuff in there. I've got the grill utensils down here, like spatula and tongs and all that stuff, all hanging down here, so everything will be ready to go. Cooler here, and so these are a really easy fix. Just drill them in and boom, you got a nice little spice rack. I did one on the inside, made it out of barn wood or pallet wood. It turned out really good. Also have these metal prints. I don't know if you can see this, but so I have this one. Thought I'd mount it kind of over here. That way when the door's closed you can also see it, so it'll be art, because there will be art on the inside as well. Plan on doing the outside, put an image here and an image there. On the back will probably be lightning, probably on the front also lightning, and then on the sides we'll do anything colorful. I've got a bunch of colorful ones, but so when I say lightning, I mean stuff like this. So this one will probably go on this side over here. I don't know though, I haven't decided how I'm going to mount them. I may just use like that 3M stick. I have a bunch of it left from the LED lights. I think that would be pretty easy. Keeping it simple, using what we have, that's what it's all about, to keep your budget down, because it seems like you're always going to, well, I just got back from Ace getting these things, these carriage bolts. So I'm going to bolt this PVC to it, make a frame. Then I'm going to make a kickstand that'll go out and attach. So you'll see how that's done when I get done with it. But there you have it, little art for the inside. Can't wait to do some on the outside. Ta-da! anyway, that's pretty easy to do. As you can see on the back. So what I was thinking about doing is maybe putting this in the middle and then having a cross beam. And then that way I can put a weight right on that center. But I'm going to play with this a little bit, and I'll stake this down from here and stake it down from here. I always have sandbags for tripods that I use. Of course, then again, what will I use for my tripods? But anyway, staking it down and making sure it's secure so it doesn't blow over. I think this is going to work really well. And then it folds up really good. So probably could have went with shorter carriage bolts. So maybe I'll just use this and put a weight on that, and that way it'll be more stable. So there you have it. This stuff's so easy to work with, so easy to cut. I like doing it with a hacksaw because I like the exercise. I can need it. I need it. This is that time of year where we come out of winter, we got to lose our belly fat. Start getting out there walking around, making some magic. So I wanted to share this with you because pretty easy deal. Kickstand. So I will take this and slide it underneath the bed. That's where it will go in transport. And then whenever I land, I try and find shade and put this in direct sun. Hopefully get a good bit of the day. But the solar is the way to go. I'm running one battery, I need two, but I'll tell you what, even with one battery I've been surprised. So if you're on a budget, it's another budget deal. 97 cents for 3 at Wally World. I spray painted them black again, make them look more like iron. Put them right there. And then maybe there. We'll see. Anyways, you can see started decorating a little bit. I was going to put those up there, but I think there and there would be good because we'll be able to enjoy them from the inside. So thanks for following along. I just wanted to share this little tip with you. I'm going to do a tour here very shortly because we are getting down to the wire. Once I get this secured, I just have to secure the battery and a couple things and I'm pretty much there. I've got the kitchen done and secured and all the cabinets secured. So the next thing will be hooking it up to the back of the SUV, Honda Santa Fe 2005, and see how low she goes. So hopefully the height will be okay. I put some extra weight back here. I'll put the cooler full of ice and beverages, and then also I have a 5-gallon water cooler jug, and that should work out. You know, that's only maybe 80 pounds, but 80 pounds is 80 pounds. Hopefully that'll offset the tongue weight a little bit, and we'll see. If not, it's going to be a sad day, and this is where we're going to be until I find something to haul it with. But we like to think positive. So I hope this helps you out because I thought it was pretty cool. You got to check out RV by Tito. He's got some great ideas and some great tips. He does a flexible solar panel that you can mount as an awning, and that's some great ideas. So check that out, and hope this sparks something for you. Till next time, this is Bo. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you got any questions, feel free to answer or ask them. I don't mind at all. I like the questions and the comments, so feel free to comment or leave a question. And subscribe if you can, and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. This is Bo. Till next time with Striking Photography. See ya!